Let's move on to the job board. When you're ready to apply, Theo's job board shows you roles you're most likely to get and even tells you why you're a fit. Right away, Theo surfaces personalized job matches tailored to your resume, skills, and goals. You can quickly switch between different resumes you've uploaded to see which jobs align best. With the freshness filter, you can view roles posted as recently as today or up to 3 months back. And with one click, you can sort by best match, most recent, or everything in between. If you're looking for something specific, like remote work or full-time versus part-time, just use the keyword search. If you hover over a job card, it provides you with a match breakdown based on experience, responsibilities, skills, and education. By clicking here on See Match Details, you'll get a breakdown of why Theo thinks you're a good fit. Here you'll see the job details, your match insights, and Theo's recommendations. Ready to apply? Click through to the external posting. Not ready yet? Save it for later. You can always view your saved or applied jobs directly from the job board. Job searching doesn't have to feel overwhelming anymore. With Theo, you have everything you need to stand out from the crowd. Polished resumes, compelling cover letters, confident interview skills, and jobs that actually match your potential.